It's going to be sunset. Sunset! We are here again, oh. Ayun, si Lolo ko. Ayan, magsa-sunset na, oh. Ting ting. There's somebody falling down there. Ayan, sunset. It's too early to sunset. It's 5 o'clock lang. Pag winter, ganyan talaga nagsa-sunset ng maaga. Oh my God. Ayan si Lola nyo. Today is Monday, guys. Marami kami nilakad ni Lolo ngayon. So, last na to kasi anong oras na ba? Tingnan ko nga. 4 pa lang pala. 4:41 PM. So, guys, ayan si Lola nyo. Ching! Si Lola at non. Si Maga. Oh, dumi ng aking kawayo.